You've heard all the hype. Passive income is the golden ticket to freedom. But let's be honest, most get rich quick schemes are straight up BS. Today we're ditching the empty promises and diving into the ideas that actually work for Canadian millennials. Take Jenna, a 28-year-old graphic designer in Vancouver. She wanted extra cash without a second job. She started by renting out her spare room on Airbnb. With cleaning and guest communication outsourced to a local co-host service, she earns about $600 a month, enough to cover her groceries. That taught her a lesson. True passive income usually needs an upfront time investment. But once you set up a system, whether it's a property, a website, or automated investments, you can largely step away and still collect the checks. Speaking of automated investments, let's talk dividend ETFs in your TFSA. Mike, who at 30 was living paycheck to paycheck in Toronto, opened up a TFSA with his bank's robo-advisor, set up $200 monthly contributions, and forgot about it. Fast forward 2 years, those contributions plus reinvested dividends added up to about $6,000 in total, with almost $300 in dividend payouts reinvested automatically. No stock picking skills required. Sure, the market dips sometimes, but over the long haul, dividend focused ETFs have delivered reliable yields of about 3 to 4% annually. Within your TFSA, tax free savings account, that income is totally tax free. Well, maybe finance isn't your jam. Meet Sara, a 26-year-old yoga instructor in Calgary. She recorded a short online course, Yoga for Desk Workers, and sold it on her website. The hardest part was filming and editing those first videos. Once she uploaded them, though, and set up an email sequence with her mailing list, the course started selling on autopilot. In her first 6 months, she made $1,200, and now it brings in about $150 a month without any extra work. This shows that digital products like ebooks, mini courses, templates can be powerful passive streams. If you have a skill you can teach, package it, use a simple platform like Teachable or Gumroad, and let the emails and ads do the selling. Do me a favor and like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. You might be wondering, what about blogging or affiliate marketing? Well, it can work, but it takes grit. Alex, a 32-year-old engineer in Ottawa, started a blog about budget travel in Canada. He reviewed hostels, wrote gear guides, and sprinkled affiliate links to booking sites. His traffic grew slowly. 6 months in, he wasn't making a dime, but he stuck with it. After a year, his blog averaged 5,000 monthly visitors and generated about $200 in affiliate commissions each month. The secret? He focused on niche topics like winter camping on a budget and optimized for specific search terms. If you go down this route, choose a narrow angle, write helpful content, and be patient. Most affiliate blogs take 12 to 18 months just to break even. But once they hit that threshold, the upkeep is minimal, monthly posts, occasional link updates, and your hosting fees. Another idea, peer-to-peer lending. It's less known in Canada than in the US, but platforms like Lending Loop let you lend as little as $25 to small businesses and earn around 5 to 7% interest. I'll admit there's risk. Some borrowers default, but by diversifying across dozens of loans, you can manage that. Emma, a 29-year-old graphic novelist in Halifax, started with $500 and now has $3,000 invested and spread across 100 loans. Her average return is around 5.5%. Not life-changing, but a nice complement to her dividend ETFs and digital course revenue. There's also real estate crowdfunding, a growing trend in Canada. Platforms like Addy let you invest in residential or commercial properties for as little as $1,000. You get quarterly payouts based on rental income and share in appreciation when the property sells. Kevin, a 34-year-old teacher in Edmonton, invested $2,000 across 3 projects. Last year, he received around $180 in distributions, about a 9% yield. He treats it like a high yield bond, predictable, hands off, and diversified across properties he'd never have bought on his own. Finally, let's talk print on demand. Think t shirts, mugs, or phone cases sold online. Using a service like Printful, you upload your designs, list them on Etsy or Shopify, and they handle printing and shipping. Whenever someone orders, you earn the markup. Laura, a 31-year-old marketing consultant in Montreal, created 5 simple designs rooted in Quebec culture. In her first year, she saw an extra $400 per month. She spends just 1 hour a week tweaking listings. After that, it's truly passive. Here's the blueprint to get started. Pick one stream that excites you: Airbnb, ETFs, digital products, affiliate blogs, peer to peer lending, crowdfunding, or print on demand. 2. Learn the basics through a trusted Canadian resource like a government site, a respected blog, or a local workshop. 3. Invest time or money up front. Film your course, deposit in your TFSA, set up your rental listing, or finance your first loans. 4. Automate as much as possible. Use reinvestment features, email sequences, or co hosts. And finally, monitor quarterly. Tweak your strategy, then step back and let it run. I get it. Seeing the word passive makes you skeptical. But real passive income isn't magic, it's systems. And with the right setups, Canadians in their 20s and 30s can build these streams without quitting their day jobs. Imagine 6 months from now, you're collecting a few $100s extra each month. You reinvest it, you build momentum. That small stream becomes a river, helping you pay down debt, save for a home, or finally take that trip to Banff without touching your main savings. So, which idea will you try first? Drop a comment below telling me your choice and any questions you have. I read every single one. If you found value here, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I post weekly Canadian focused money tips so you can build real wealth. No fluff, no BS. Thanks for watching, and here's to your passive income journey in 2025. Subscribe to help support this channel so I can continue to help you master your money and transform your life.